kids, today we will learn the names of vegetables. Let's get started. Carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot. This is a carrot. Potato. This is a potato. Potato. This is a potato. Tomato. This is a tomato. Tomato. This is a tomato. Onion. This is an onion. Onion. This is an onion. Spinach. This is spinach. Spinach. This is spinach. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Peas. These are peas. Peas. These are peas. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Radish. This is a radish. Radish. This is a radish. Turnip. This is a turnip. Turnip. This is a turnip. Bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. Bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. Okra. This is okra. Okra. This is okra.